In this video, we have the task of investigating the production overhead costs throughout the year. We need to calculate how many workdays there were in each month so that we can get an idea of the overhead costs per day. The factory closes on Sundays and any of these working holidays. So we need to calculate how many workdays are there within each month. And Excel has an amazing function that can do this. Simply type out equals N, E, and move down to the function called networkdays.intl, which stands for international. The difference between networkdays and networkdays international is that the international version allows you to specify what type of weekends you might have. The networkdays function on its own assumes that Saturday and Sunday are both weekends. It's a very simple function to use. You simply provide the start date, comma, the end date, and then choose the type of weekend that you have. In our case, we said the factory closes only on a Sunday. So we can move down to Sunday only or type out number 11. And then press comma and provide the list of holidays. And it's important to know that these holidays that you provide must be in the format of a serial number or be able to be converted to a number that Excel can actually recognize. This is using table nomenclature from the table called holiday, and it's the date column. So I can close that off and hit enter. Excel counts out that we had 25 working days. Double click to send this all the way down, and within no time, Excel has looked into each of these ranges, excluded Sundays, and excluded any holidays that might overlap. Now we are able to very easily work out the total overhead per day in each particular month and identify anomalies. We could also add some very quick conditional formatting like a color scale and identify that there are some months that seem to be much higher than others. So to summarize, the net workdays international function requires simply the start date, the end date, what your weekends are, and any holidays. And it will provide you with the number of working days between those two dates. We'll see you in the next video.